Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we will see how to activate 48 megapixel camera mode on Redmi Note 7 smartphone. So first of all we will open the camera. So we will click here. So after opening camera we will go to this more option and here is the 48 megapixel option. So we will click on this icon. So 48 megapixel option is active now. So we will now click a picture in 48 megapixel. Now let's see the quality of this picture. So here you can see 48 megapixel camera image. So here you can see the 48 megapixel camera image. So let's zoom it. In 48 megapixel camera you can double zoom the image. So let's see. So I have double zoomed this image. It shows us more details. I have clicked another photo, so you can see here. So this way you can use 48 megapixel camera and also click high quality images on the smartphone. So friends, this was all for today's video. I hope you will like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. We'll meet you in next video. Goodbye.